How to withdraw Temu credit balance. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application Temu is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Temu. Now head over to you at the bottom of the screen. The option of credit balance will be visible to you. Click on it. So in this page, it will show you all of the credit balance that you have got. But you can see that there is no any option where you can withdraw the Temu credit balance. Let me head over to the customer support of Temu. Click on this headset icon at the top right corner. And then tap on Contact Us at the bottom. In this page, you simply have to write, "Can I withdraw credit balance on Temu?" Tap on Send. Now wait for a while for the response. They will respond you with this. Over here you can see it says, "Credit in your account can be directly used to place order on Temu. The system will prioritize using it to deduct the amount on the order confirmation page." Also at the bottom it says, "Temu credit can't be withdrawn and does not expire," which means that it is impossible to withdraw the Temu credit balance. You can only receive the benefit from the Temu credit balance. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.